You got it. You got it, yeah. You got it. If you let me, girl, I'll take care of you.
Yo, what are you two? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bar. Thank y'all for tuning in to Candace and Bar. We back once again with another lit video. If y'all new, don't forget that like, comment, and subscribe. And turn that bell on so y'all be notified when we drop some more lit bangers. So we back, and we better. Well, I'm back. She not here. Y'all can tell by the title what's about to happen, y'all. You know I gotta come back with another banger. So she pranked me about, you know, calling her mom and stuff like that. That was kind of, that wasn't really a prank, but you know, I give her that. But anyway, I know I was just up in here about to make a sandwich and stuff, and I'm like, you know, she don't like mayonnaise. She don't like condiments on her food. And she did tell me to get her some ice cream. So I'm like, you know, ice cream, mayo, it goes together. It kind of look alike. It don't go together, but it look alike. I'm like, Basically, I'm up in here right now. She wanted me to get her some ice cream. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the ice cream with mayonnaise, mayo, whatever y'all want to call it. But I'm gonna still put ice cream in there because she the type, she like to check her food. I had her some applesauce. Although it's wrapped up, she gonna open it, smell it, then eat it. So, and she gonna look at it. So, you know, ice cream really don't have a smell, for real. Mayonnaise have a smell. So what I gotta do, if you suppress the looking into the smelling, it'll smell like what it looked like. Think about that. Just think about it. I'm gonna put the mayo at the bottom, put the ice cream on top. Y'all stay tuned, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on so y'all be notified when we drop some more lit bangers. Y'all been showing a lot of love, and we like 4 to 5 videos back on the game. We've been trying to drop, you know, consistently, and we're gonna keep throwing out some videos for y'all, keep bringing y'all some lit content. Y'all comment down below what y'all want us to do, and y'all go follow us on all our social medias. I'm about to get the description changed back the way it was, so all her stuff will be on there and stuff like that too. I need y'all to go get her to like at least 1,000 followers before the end of this month. Y'all get her to 1,000 followers before the end of the month. I'll do a big giveaway. I don't know what the giveaway is yet, but I will do a giveaway. We ain't gonna say we'll do a giveaway if y'all get her to 1,000 followers on Instagram. I gotta hurry up before she come up in here because I'm taking too long. But yeah, let's get into this video and let's ice cream.
Because I think she pooped. So, gotta change her.
Both of y'all did that shit.
She sat there and blew it up.
Jason.
He's laughing at you.
Jason, you stink.
Oh, don't do it.
Jason, you stink.
Oh, you hurt her feelings.
I'm sorry.
You hurt her feelings.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
You hurt her feelings. Why you hurt my baby
crackers in there.
What is this?
No love Mar. I need a host one of them.
So the first is one? Where are you gonna get 20 people?
That's how I do it in the A. They have a cast at ABC. You gonna eat it, you gonna play with it. Why are you playing with it?
Good.
I didn't do nothing to it.
I'm scared to eat stuff from you. You put too much.
Nigga, I didn't do anything to it before.
What did you put in here?
Nothing. Where you going? Ew. Don't throw up.
What did you put in here?
I didn't do.
Mari.
Don't throw up on me, bro. If you throw, go get the trash can.
What did you put in here, bro?
Nothing. What are you talking about? Go to the bathroom, bro. Come here, come here. What?
What did you put in there?
I didn't put anything in there.
What did you put in there, bro? Just throw up.
I didn't put anything in there. You tripping?
Oh my god. I need some water.
Eat some more. Eat some wet ice cream.
No, what did you put in there?
I didn't put anything in there.
Look at this eye open.
Eat a little bit more.
No, what did you put in there, bro?
But I didn't put anything in there. You tripping? You can smell that shit. I told you, shit. Y'all cut up the room. Wicked, bro.
Bro.
I told you I was gonna fire all. You tripping?
It's like.
Hey. Where you going?
I can't.
Just eat a little bit more. Eat a little bit more. Come on, bro. Ew.
What did you do? You always want to play, bro.
I didn't play, bro. That's you staying. You want to make me throw up.
And your juice not making it.
Eat a little bit more.
Bro.
That's you stink, bro.
Lord,
I didn't put
bro.
anything in there. I'm being for
What
real.
is it?
I didn't put anything in there. What it tastes like?
Not good.
Eat a little bit more.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. No. I'm gonna throw up. You want me to throw up? Oh.
I didn't do anything.
I still got the taste in my mouth. Like,
I didn't do anything. Hey. I'm about to throw up. You about?
why would you do that?
Jason.
Why would you play with my ice cream, dude?
I didn't.
What did you put in there for, to be honest?
I didn't put anything in
What if
there.
I'm allergic?
I didn't
What if I'm allergic?
You
And I
not.
start breaking out?
You're not.
What is it then?
It's nothing. I don't know.
Will you eat some?
I don't like ice cream. I'm allergic to ice cream.
Come on, eat some.
I don't
There's nothing
like-
wrong with it.
I don't like.
There's nothing wrong
But
with
you
it.
know I don't like-
Take a little bite.
No, you know I don't like ice cream. I don't like ice cream.
Okay, then you did something to it.
I did
You
not.
don't even eat it.
Cause you know, when do I even eat ice cream?
But you'll taste some.
I don't never
You'll
taste.
taste.
I never.
It's like, oh my god. Ew, back.
Come on, bro.
It's back.
You gotta. Come on, bro. Don't throw up. You throw up, I'm gonna throw up. It already stank because of her. Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
If you throw up, I'm gonna throw up. Come on, go change. Oh.
I'm a changer, bro. I gotta throw up. It's like stuck right here. Yeah, I really have to throw up, y'all.
Well, now before I go, I do gotta tell you something.
What did you do? Now my stomach hurt. What did you do?
I put mayo in there.
You know I don't like no damn mayo. Why would you even play with my ice cream, bro? And now you said that was the last one. Oh my god. I'm about to throw up.
Ew.
For real.
Ew. Hold on, Jason, I'll be right back, bro.
Why are you recording, bro?
So you really throwing up, bro?
Yes.
Ew. I had to get you back, bro.
It's not fair. I got you, though.
So don't hit the like button. But y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on so y'all be notified when we drop some more lit content, y'all. But I told y'all we were gonna get her, though. I told y'all. Y'all, when we go to McDonald's or anywhere we go, when she order a burger, she don't get nothing. She get just meat. She get bread, meat, bread, and maybe cheese sometimes. But she don't get none of that stuff. So it looks disgusting. Like, I did go a little bored because I did put a lot of mayo in there. I like mayo on stuff, but eat mayo by itself. If y'all team Barry, comment team Barry. If y'all team Candace, comment team Candace. But team Barry got the dub. But I know she about to get me back. But yeah, we got the dub today. But y'all stay tuned. Hit the like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on so y'all be notified. And your boy Barry, we out. Gang.